Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Before we calculate about this one, we need to find about this integration. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to tan t, ds equals to secant of t squared dt. After we do first derivative of this one, so we put tan t go in here. ds we change for this one. We know that 1 plus tan t squared we change for secant of t squared. Now we need to simplify secant of t squared on numerator and denominator. One over secant of t we change for cosine t squared. About cosine t squared we change for cosine 2t plus 1 over 2. Next, we put number 2 outside. And now we can get the final answer. The integration of cosine 2t, we have 1 over 2 sine 2t. Number 1, that's about t. About t, that is about this one. So we can find about t equals to arctan of s. So we put this one to replace for t. And now we return back to this one. So we can put the bounds for this one in here. And now we can get the final answer. So when s approaches to positive infinity, arctan of s will be b over 2. And this one is about b over 2. When s approaches to negative infinity, this one will be negative b over 2. This one will be negative b over 2. We know that number 2 simplified by number 2, so we have b. Similar for this one. And we have negative b. We know that sine of b equals to number 0, similar for this one. So we just have only 1 over 2 multiplied by this one. Minus 1 over 2 multiplied by negative b over 2. We simplify and we have b over 2. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.